waterfall.
No, it's not.
We can't pronounce like anything here except for aloha and mahalo. Ready to go see some waterfalls? Andrew? Let's do this. There weren't any bugs last night, but now there's bugs.
Right now, I need to go the right now.
I don't. Go left.
It's still a pause.
We're ahead or we're ahead? These signs, yeah, they say this because rocks are continuously falling in the road. Oh, my ear's hot. Here's some of the cliffs that I was talking about. You can see they have this fence here to catch them. They have nets just... There's a waterfall.